when you are wearing a Breguet, it's more than just a watch. I think it's a statement of heritage, precision, exclusivity. Someone who simply appreciates finer things in life. This is a timepiece, this is not a watch. It offers a compelling alternative to the usual suspects. If you want a watch that is both refined and functional, steeped in history, yet modern in execution, then this Type 21 is truly investment in timeless elegance and precision. Hey guys, today I just want to show you the Breguet Type 21. It's my watch for, I don't know, many years I have this watch, and yeah, I still have it. There were times when I wanted to sell this one, and I just put it away and put some other watches on my wrist, and I sold some other watches and I saved this one, and at the end of the day I'm happy I did not. So I did a review back in the days when I first got it, I think, or somewhere, and yeah, it's still with me and I like it a lot. This is Type 21, Breguet Type 21 3810, and this is not just another luxury chronograph watch, and this is a tribute to aviation history, precision, elegance, functionality. This has root in the legendary Type 20 watches that were commissioned for the French Air Force in the 50s, and the Type 21 takes that legacy and it elevates it with contemporary technology, craftsmanship, and it makes it standout timepiece. And I actually prefer Type 20 because it's more simple. It's more tool-like. And this one, even though it's a tool watch, this one is flashy, luxury, and whatnot. I showed you a Pilot IWC watch, and it was nothing like this. Even one of my friends who's not really into is not big watch connoisseur, but he appreciates watches, he said, why do they only have this stamped dial indices? Why not something like this? And this one has everything. This one has everything done superbly. It's 43.5 millimeter case. There's a version with 42, I believe, but it really has a commanding presence on the wrist. It's refined. You can wear it in casual settings, formal settings. You can wear it to pilot a plane because it's really capable instrument. It is somewhat under the radar because of the IWC pilots watches, the Rolex Daytonas and whatnot. But yeah, even though I consider Rolex Daytona a racing watch, not a pilot watch, but lots of people will classify it as one. Navi Timer is another iconic watch. I reviewed most of these watches, including Navi Timer, and yeah, this case is also available in rose gold. This one stainless steel. I saw normally I'm not the guy who prefers the rose gold watches, but I saw the rose gold version, and I have to tell you, it looks nicer. It just blends better with the dial color, the rose gold version. So if you have money, get the rose gold version. Maybe it may not be practical for every day, but who cares? It looks nice. Yeah. So yeah, briefly, let's go over the specs. It has bi-directional bezel, and yeah, it's smooth, easy to grip, yet firm. It just, you can feel the click like on a safe deposit box, big one. It's really functional. There's a black, brown, or slate gray dial in these watches, different references. Kind of like the black most of the time, but this, I would call it slate gray, is also very cool. It has a great chrome. These whole Arabic numerals and everything, it's chromed and it glows in the dark. It's very good. And here it has day and night indicator. And this is a true pilot's companion watch. It has it's a flyback chronograph. It's powered by Breguet's 584Q. It's a chronograph from Lemania. It's a Lemania chronograph, but it's done beautifully. What's different about this watch than other pilot's watches? This one has a flyback function, so it allows you instantaneous reset and restart of a stopwatch, single push. It's very useful for pilots. And yeah, the countdown minute hand is this here. Here you can see at the 12 o'clock, and you can make it look like a split-second chronograph because of that. It has a 48 power reserve, a very smooth operation, impeccable accuracy, and it's a Lemania movement. It's reliable and refined at the same time. What else do I have to say? Wearing this watch is a different experience. It sits tall on the wrist. You can see it's tall. Let me show you. It's, I believe, 16. Let me just see. I forgot. It sits tall. 14 and a half. But it feels like 16. I don't know, because of this Breguet look here, because there's pillars and columns. But yeah, you can definitely feel it on your wrist. And if you are not used to wearing bigger, chunkier watches, a door frame will be yours. You will hit at least 1 or 2 door frames. That can tell you from experience. But the steel is good on this one. No traces whatsoever from hitting door frames. Yeah, it's water resistant. This one is water resistant to 100 meters. That's what I want in pilot's watch, because I hate to see pilot's watch not water resistant, or field watch not water resistant. Why? What if pilots had to jump in the ocean or into the sea or into the lake? What? And the watch gets all bad. So I never really understood that, and that's why I like it. It has a screw down crown. Pushers are not screwed down, which doesn't really make sense with the chronograph feature. You don't have to wait to unscrew the pushers time things. And yeah, it comes on a leather strap or stainless steel bracelet. Stainless steel bracelet, I believe it's a bit too shiny, too blingy. And this is aftermarket strap, and it comes on leather band. And yeah, it's very distinctive, this watch, and you won't see everyone wearing this watch. I don't want to big note myself, but in a world which is dominated by Daytonas, Speedmasters, IWC pilots watches, I do have a Speedmaster, and I just recently sold IWC pilot watch. The Breguet, this one, Type 21, offers something different, and that's why I decided to keep this one. And I had to sell one. It's not like I wanted to sell pilot's watch, but I had to. And this is like a perfect blend of aviation history, high-end craftsmanship, unique complication. It's a flyback, and it was really a no-brainer for me to get rid of the 7750 based IWC and keep this one. It's a flyback. It's a flyback. It's really something that you don't see every day on a chronograph, not your everyday chronograph. And of course, I like this timeless Breguet aesthetics. I'm a big fan of Breguet because I own the 5177 and I love that watch as well. Enamel dial. Superior legibility, this watch. You can, it looks busy, but every time you just glance at it, you can tell the time. And also, this one is very this is very usable watch, practical. You can wear it every day. It's water resistant enough. And one thing that I forgot to mention, or I left it at the end, is it's a Breguet. It's a Breguet, and it's not mainstream. There are many other luxury chronographs, but not a lot of people wear a Breguet, and that just, in my opinion, it's another plus and adds to appeal of this watch. When you are wearing a Breguet, it's more than just a watch. I think it's a statement of heritage, precision, and exclusivity. If you are not aviation enthusiast, if you are just a watch collector or someone who simply appreciates craftsmanship, finer things in life, this watch, this timepiece, this is a timepiece, this is not a watch. It offers a compelling alternative. It's really a great alternative to the usual suspects, like a Navy timer, IWC pilot watch, and yada yada yada. So if you want a watch that is both refined and functional, steeped in history, yet modern in execution, then this Type 21 is truly investment in timeless elegance and precision.